Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. This is a giveaway video where we have made a small application which can help us save a lot of time. What this application does is very simple. When we are splitting the tally into different years and old year tally, we are doing the finalization and some balances might get changed. So after that, after the finalization, the new tally has some different balances, opening balances, whereas the old tally has some different closing balances which needs to be matched. So this tool can match that in fraction of a second. And not only this, if you want, it will also do change the opening balances of the new tally. Okay, link in the description of this video. You can absolutely download it. Plus anybody who needs the scripts, they can comment their mail id and I will mail the scripts to them. For others, you can download the exe file, those who are not concerned with Python. So we'll go ahead. You can see that the total is 6 crore 27 lakh and 7 crore 62 lakh for 23-24, whereas for 24-25 the opening balances, you can see opening yes and closing no, okay, are 692 and 627. The difference is due to this opening stock. Okay, stock here is 1 crore 33 and here it is 2 crore 3. Okay, so absolutely it is only because of the stock. You can see 7 crore 62, the difference is 69 lakh 71 and 6971. Now I will do some changes. Okay, so let's do the changes in 24-25 first. I will alter, suppose ledger 11 kV lines. Okay, and suppose I have done it 100 rupees. Okay, similarly 511, there is no balance, I will make it 1000 rupees. This I have done in the new tally. In the old tally also, what I will do is make some changes, or maybe depreciation. Okay, you can see, and I'm going to delete this entry randomly, not an issue. Now 4 to 5 ledgers are getting affected. Okay, now I will close everything. You can see this is 24-23. I will show you the location. It is simply my pen drive, data up. Okay, I close this. So before running the application, what you have to do is very simple. Whenever you are running the tally, you have to run it as an administrator. Number one, we will also start the application. Give me a minute. I close these old files. Okay, and this is OB matching. You simply will get the exe file which you can run anyways. Okay, as I told, those who want the Python scripts, they can comment their mail id and we will send the scripts absolutely to learn and practice. No issues. This is pure learning video where you learn and implement the things. Okay, and now slowly it is getting open, and whereas the software is also, it should have been opened by now anyways. Okay, so our tally is open. My is educational mode, not an issue. So we will choose the path data. Here is the data and specify path. So we will open any one. Suppose first I open 23-24, and one thing I have done is open as administrator. Second thing is, in the settings you have to switch on your ODBC. Okay, so connectivity, and simple, it is like that only. Okay, we have opened the software twice, we will close it, don't worry. And one instance, let us stay it open. And now once again tally will open, and we have to wait for that, maybe 10-15 seconds normal tally opening time. I don't know why it is very slow, and I'll show you the application. Okay, and we'll move forward. Continue in educational mode. Specify path, maybe we have the drive here, I data and 23-24. Okay, you can open any data, not an issue. When we are in the application, I'll show you how you can proceed. So we have this application ready, OB ledger comparison, and simply I will click here, and first thing is you will fetch the data, old trial balance, new trial balance. Second is you will compare, and third step, as I told, you can also import. If you do not want automatic import, you can do it manually, just comparison sheet you will get. Okay, so first thing is click on fetch data. Now what is telling, please load old tally. Okay, so you don't have to press okay until you load the tally. So what I will do is, this is the old tally. Okay, okay, immediately it is going to say please load new tally. Okay, so I will close this. I may not also close this, this is just to show you. And new tally means the new tally 24-25. Okay, and simply click on OK, just to OK, and it has said that there is something okay, where you have saved the file. Okay, I'll show you apps, ledger OB compare district. Okay, where you have saved the file, this was our application. Here you will get in backup the new trial, and the main thing is the cleaned data, cleaned new tally and cleaned old tally. You can see this is the trial balance, just 0 has been removed. The main thing is compare data. As soon as you click it, you can see you will get balance comparison. So this way we can see that the things have changed. Two sheets you will get balance mismatch and ledger name. I am telling you both, don't worry. The first is the KV line, we did 100 in the new tally, whereas it was something 32 like in the old tally. The second one, air conditioner, it has changed again because we cleared the depreciation entry in the old tally. Currency counting machine and refrigerator. Okay, for few instances purposefully I have not shown in the first sheet. Which are the instances? Number one is the profit and loss account. If this changes, you have to see why it changed and you have to do little bit of scrutiny. That's why I have not given this in the first sheet. Here it is not coming. Profit and loss, any change will come in the second sheet. Second is those which have zero balances. Suppose 511 Guwahati, it was earlier in the old tally it was 0, in the new tally we gave 1000. So these are the balances you need some scrutiny. Again I am saying, in the old tally if it is 0, in the new tally if it contains some balance, or vice versa. In the new tally it is 0 and old tally it is containing some balance, then those will not be directly imported because they may need some scrutiny. Which will be directly imported? All the entries in balance mismatch which have perfectly balanced mismatch, 100 and 500, 100, 700, the differences. Okay, so here you will get all the things which will not be imported. You have to do it manually, and according to me they needed some extra scrutiny. And also there may be some accounts, suppose main purchase and main purchase, you can see that the name of the ledger is different, the balance is same. Purposefully I have given two different name. So different name ledgers, suppose earlier it was TDS and TDS. In the old tally you have done TDS payable, now in the new tally it is TDS. So ledger name are different. This cannot be mapped because these are known by you only. So this type of things you have to do manually. Again I am saying, ledger name mismatches you have to do manually, and balance mismatches, wherever there is a balance mismatch it is going to do automatically. Okay, I'll show you, don't worry. Now what we want is, I'll close this, save. Okay, also I'll close this, this is just to show you balance. So now we will check 11 kV line and alter 11 ledger 11 kV line, it's 100 debit as per our old changed balance. But as soon as I click on import, okay, and you can see that it got changed to 322957, and all the balances, not only this. Suppose air conditioner, that it was 21,000 earlier, because we cleared the depreciation, so balance will be higher, 24148. Okay, so we can check air conditioner, you can see 24148 old balance. So this can be done beautifully. Again I am saying only one thing, all these entries will not be changed, this you have to do manually. Whereas balance mismatch, every entry will be changed. Three types of entries where the ledger name are different, where it is 0 either in first tally or second tally, I have written also, not in old tally, or the balance may be nil. So in the old tally the balance was nil, hence you have to do the scrutiny why this happened. Okay, plus profit and loss, these three entries you will not get automatically. Rest all the entries, if there are 50 differences, you can do that difference in 1 minute, and also you can post the balances. So I hope you like this video and you can use this tool absolutely free. I have to check whether it will work till what time. It will work till a certain time, that I am saying. Okay, and those who want the scripts, they can comment their mail ID, I will mail them the scripts. Okay, use it absolutely. It is there are no rights reserved or something, it is for you to use and save your time. Okay, also in the further videos I am going to explain how I made it. For now it is very simple, I am telling you I have made it through ChatGPT. Okay, so that's all for this video, friends. Also you can comment which one was your favorite part today and share with your friends so that they can use it, use the tools, save the time, and also follow TechFlow Hub for more such upcoming amazing videos. Thank you so much friends. See you in the next video.